Okay.
Hello and welcome to another edition of J. Williams in the Lab. Today what we're going to show you folks how to do is create a glowing solution. Now, what we have here is a couple bottles. This is what the glowing solution will go into. In this bottle, we have a mixture of hydrogen peroxide with some distilled water. Make sure it's distilled. In this solution, we have sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, copper sulfate, ammonium nitrate, luminol, and distilled water. Be sure it's distilled. Here today to explain to us what really goes on in the reaction we're going to show you is my associate John Williams from Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute out of Troy, New York. Hello, John.
Hello, science. Well, Jay, hello, viewers. Today, with our experiment, correct me if I'm wrong here, is the luminol mixture, the solution here, will be mixed with the hydrogen peroxide solution as you see it.
That is correct.
And then what will take place is the energy, this will become oxidized when they're mixed. And through this oxidation process, it will become excited when they mix. Now, upon excitement, the electrons kind of move to a different state. You know, they get a little bit happier.
They get a little rowdy sometimes.
But they do. They do a little. But they don't want to stay there too long because, you know, they've got work in the morning. So when the party's over and the excitement kind of dies down, they've got to go back. They've got to go back to where they came from. And when they do that, they emit energy. And this energy they emit is in the form of photons. And a photon, there it goes, photons coming in and out. They're coming, it's coming on in this house here with these lights.
Photons are everywhere.
These photons kind of come out, and they come out in color and light.
Light blue.
And it gets into the quantum physics of it, where these photons, they're at an excited level, and they emit an energy level called a quanta. And it goes down to another level, and it shoots out some light there. So I think that just about sums up the
that is exactly what happened.
The experiment there. So
well, should we go check it out?
Let's go to the lab.
Chemistry.
All right. Hey, here we go. Well, I'm guessing, Jay, that you're getting new electrical put into your laboratory here today, or what is the situation here?
Yes, that is correct. We are doing some rewiring, and it is dark, but nonetheless, this is the perfect environment for what we are going to be doing today.
I can see why you made that decision, because it will glow as the photons are emitted, and therefore you don't need electricity or lights for this experiment. I like how you think, Jay.
Or so we hope.
Science always prevails, always carries on, even in the midst.
Respect the nerds, you'll be working for them.
Even in the midst of construction. As you can kind of see, perhaps we're in the open air environment laboratory here.
Which is for the gases.
For the gases. We don't have a gas tube, kind of. But,
we will see. Hold on.
Alright, well, what he's going to do here, he's going to pour these mixtures into the funnel, and hopefully they will glow. Well, look at the glowing.
The luminescence is glowing.
Listen, get this on the film. It's kind of burning my hands where you spilled.
I am very...
But keep going for science.
I am very sorry.
For science, keep it up. Look at this.
Please just go down.
Look into the bottle.
Oh, we will see. It's still glowing. I'm very sorry. I burned you. But yes, as you did see, they are still just returning to their normal state as we speak.
As I can guess here, you know, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
With the blue wavelength being emitted,
yes,
that means those photons are very, very excited.
Oh, you saw they were just cruising around there.
That must have been some party, I tell you there, Jay.
They were having fun.
They were having a good time. But, you know, the blue means they're close to ultraviolet, and that's where you really have some fun.
That's the fun part.
You know, maybe they were having that much fun because you can't see ultraviolet.
No, that is correct. Oh, what a clever
Science sure is amazing, don't you think, Jay?
Oh, just great.
Well, I think that just about
That's about it. Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
can say whatever now.
Jay, where are we going to see him again?
We'll see you in the lab.
We'll see you in the lab.
Remember, hours wear safety glasses.